This is the world's largest VRF production base, and also the world's first lighthouse factory in the VRF field, Hisense HVAC Qingdao Factory. This factory represents the highest level of intelligence and digitalization in global manufacturing. It is also a shining example of quality, efficiency,
and ESG in the HVAC sector.
Today, let's step inside and uncover the secrets of this factory built for the future. Hello, Mr. Lee.
Hello, welcome to the Hisense HVAC Qingdao Factory. This way.
It feels quite strange here, and it's so dark. Why aren't the lights on?
This is a dog production workshop of VRF production line. Thanks to machine vision, AI, and IoT connectivity, we've achieved 100% automated production in darkness. Now, let me turn on the lights so you can see how everything works.
Wow, this is amazing. It looks like a highly trained automated army. What is this? It looks quite flexible.
This is the industry first horizontal incline automatic tube insertion machine. It's guided by 17 high-precision AI cameras to ensure accurate pipe insertion.
These are truly impressive employees.
The welding process is crucial to prevent refrigerant leakage. Our innovative automated welding integrates multiple advanced techniques, reducing welding defects by 57%, while ensuring the performance and safety of our air conditioning products.
I never imagined that these automated devices could handle such complex processes.
Automation is involved throughout the entire production line. The more complex the process is, the more specialized these are to meet the requirement. This saves time and avoids potential mistakes by manual operation, and as a result, improves product precision.
So, this is the secret behind Hisense's high-quality products.
The secret to quality doesn't end here. Let's head to our labs and check them out.
Is this place just gone through a real blizzard? It's freezing in here.
Yeah. This is our customer simulation test room. We've just simulated a minus 30 degrees blizzard.
Whoa.
By simulating extreme temperature, precipitation, etc., we ensure the stability and the durability of our air conditioners in various environments. Look, even a minus 30 degrees blizzard, this high-flexi S5 outdoor unit continues to heat stably.
That's a tough test, but it clearly passed. Where are we now? I've never experienced this kind of silence before.
This is the low noise lab. The ambient noise is 12 decibels here, even lower than the 30 decibels typically found in a sleeping environment. Look, we have the world's top acoustic vibration testing system here to precisely capture any abnormal noise during the air conditioner's operation and to ensure minimal noise levels. That's not all. Our labs cover 853 rigorous testing scenarios. We use AI to analyze data precisely and to ensure our product's quality from all angles.
Exceptional quality stems from uncompromising standards, and these tests are the ultimate proof.
Yeah.
Where are we? This doesn't look like the VRF production line.
This is the chiller production line. It also relies on smart technologies and automation to ensure the top quality. In addition, Hisense intelligent manufacturing base in Changsha will be completed in 2026, which will further strengthen our chiller capabilities.
What are some of the impressive water chiller products here?
Many innovative water chiller products are rolled off the production lines here. For example, this independently developed innovative oil-free water chiller system. By utilizing Hisense proprietary refrigerant levitation over 1 ATM technology, it achieves a maximum corp of 7.02.
Wow.
Our test bench is conducting real machine operational simulations. It evaluates 48 performance parameters of the product and monitors its various specifications. It far exceeds the 22 performance tests required by national standards. For all products, we use the strictest manufacturing and testing processes to optimize their performance, so that they can meet customer needs in every scenario.
That's why Hisense products are trusted by customers worldwide. Hisense serves customers globally. How do you ensure rapid delivery so they can get the product when they need it?
We have a robust supply chain system that ensures production capacity. We've also set up an agile delivery operation system, powered by AI-driven decision-making, real-time data analysis, and fast resource adjustments to create the most efficient production plans.
So you can quickly put orders into production?
Exactly. And the 24/7 operation dark factory, high-efficiency production equipment, flexible transportation using bridge cranes and AGVs have all helped us greatly to shorten the production time. Here, an air conditioning unit rolls off the line every 16 seconds.
With such a large output, logistics must be a huge challenge.
We have a comprehensive logistics system that allows us to quickly ship products worldwide. Currently, our average lead time is only 26.66 days. This major breakthrough allows our customers to wait less and enjoy a better experience.
As far as I know, Hisense has always been actively practicing ESG principles.
Yes, Hisense HVAC Qingdao Factory is also committed to exploring low-carbon production systems. Through our smart carbon emission management platform and innovative energy-saving technologies, we've reduced the factory's energy consumption per unit by 35%, while extensively using clean energy. As a result, carbon emissions from production and electricity usage have decreased by 47%. Emission of carbon dioxide has reduced by at least 7,500 tons annually.
Using the power of technology to protect the planet, I can really see the brand's social responsibility.
What an unforgettable experience! The innovative technologies and strict standards in this factory have given me a complete sense of confidence in Hisense HVAC products.
I can truly feel how much Hisense understands and respects the needs of the customers.
I'm sure that this Lighthouse Factory will continue to create exceptional innovations in the future while leading industry and societal progress and provide its customers with an experience beyond their expectations.